everyone, so in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to remix your reels like this.
Your blood gonna dry.
Hi guys, so welcome to today's video. In today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to remix a reels like this. Okay, so all I have to do is just to come to this plus icon here and scroll past and see the kind of reels that I want to remix. Okay, so I think I've saved quite a number of reels I would like to remix later, so I'm just going to come here. So with these reels, all you can decide to do is decide to mimic them or decide to react to them. Yeah, so I'm just going to come to the reels option here, then come to this three icon here, remix this reel, and I'm going to go for it. Put in some filters in your reels. Let's say I don't want a plain face like this. You can decide to just go for anyone. Let me use this. So let's go now. Let's go. All you have to do is just to tap on it. What I like to do is I like to use a tripod stand. I have a tripod here, so here's my tripod stand. All I have to do is, if I'm using my two hands, I put my phone on this tripod stand. Let me see if I can quickly do something. Sorry, hold on. Then to have something that we want. So all you have to do, I can see that my hands is nothing on my hands now. All you have to do now is just click on this icon here. Just tap on it, okay? Then you're going to see that well. I didn't do that well per se, but I just did what I had to do. So when you are done with that, you're just going to come to this icon here, and then you could also decide to come to this filter here. If you want to reduce, you can see this is the volume of the voiceover playing, or you could decide to record your voiceover by clicking that record button. So when you're done with that, just click on this icon here, or you could also decide to put in something on your video. If you want to put, okay, let me reduce this a bit so you're going to hear what I'm saying. Okay, I think something now is going to happen, but I wanted to talk about this text icon here. You could decide to put in a text in your own video. Okay, so when I'm done, I'm just going to go back now to adjust this and click this, and my video upload. So I'm going to be doing a more comprehensive, I'm going to be remixing this reel later on, so watch out for it. Okay, so when you're done, just put in your caption and you upload it. So that's how to remix your reels. And if the remix icon is not showing, the remix option is not showing, update your app, okay? Or you could as well as just report to Instagram. I already explained how to report a problem to Instagram to get whatever issues you have solved. So thank you for watching. Bye.